Hey guys, I want to share with you a Walmart haul that I did last night, and I am so freaking excited because I found some really awesome things I didn't even know that Walmart carried. It's like, what? I've been on a hunt for these new Lily products because they are exclusive to Walmart, which I wish they weren't, but they are, and I've been on a hunt. I went to a few different Walmarts in the past, like, I don't know, a couple weeks since I've heard about them, and I haven't been able to find them until yesterday, so I'm so excited. And yeah, I am so impressed with what Walmart has these days. I saw so many great things, and I'm like, oh my God, I would have to go to Wegmans or Whole Foods, Sprouts, local like Whole Food places, local like health stores, vitamin shop or whatever. Like they had so many things. So Walmart is really, really stepping it up. And they also had a lot of the products with like a green label on it, kind of like how Sprouts does it, that says keto friendly on it, or keto, I forget what it said. But how amazing is that, guys? It makes shopping so easy, and it might help you discover even other things. I know processed foods is not the best. Like, we all get this, right? I always look at the ingredients. I try to make sure that my stuff doesn't have like corn syrup or even like the hidden sugars like maltitol and dextrose, maltodextrin, because those things do spike your insulin just like regular sugar. Like, it might as well just eat regular sugar, right? So you just have to make sure that when things say keto or things they say sugar free are legitimately sugar free, right? So I know I mess up. I still mess up. I sometimes buy things that, oh, I thought it was keto, and then when I looked more into it, it wasn't. But that's all part of learning. And I remember when I first went keto, I thought a lot of things like were keto that I wanted to try, and I was like, oh wait, that totally isn't. But you live and you learn, and we are always learning. There's nothing wrong with that. So let's get started because some really great things. I found Sola bread. They were out of the other ones, but I saw like the place for them. But I've been wanting to try the hot dog buns. The only other place I found Sola bread is Wegmans, and I'm not kidding, guys. Their like regular bread is phenomenal. I know a lot of people don't do the wraps or don't do the bread. Do what works for you. Do what's going to help you lose weight and be as healthy. Eating this, eating any of these things I'm going to share with you today is way better than what I used to eat when I was 100 pounds heavier, okay? So this is still an improvement. So when you get like upset, like, oh, I ate a lot of processed food today, or oh man, I ate too many protein bars today than I would have should have normally had. Think about what you used to eat. This is like an A++ compared to what I used to eat back in the day, okay? Back in 2019 and 2018, 20, like this is so healthy compared to that. So don't get stressed out of having to be perfect and only to eat whole foods, or else we probably all would just be carnivores, right? I mean, I actually am thinking about doing a January 2022, I forget what year we're in, doing a carnivore for 30 days, because I think January is carnivore month. So I think I'm going to actually do that. If you guys are interested to like maybe hear more about that or watch me go through that, definitely let me know below. Anyway, Lily's. I didn't plan on getting these, but they had them and there was only 2 left, and I thought might as well. So I think I'm going to make some cookies with these. And yeah, I'm not a big pumpkin spice person. I do like pumpkin. So we'll see. Hopefully I like them. I'm definitely going to try them before I put them in cookies, just in case if I don't. These gummies and these bars are new. There's 2 other flavors that I want to try, but this Walmart didn't have them, and I haven't found them anywhere else. And I was so excited to get the gummies. I did eat, George, I split the worms last night, and they were so incredibly good. Again, like, these products are really high in fiber, so just make sure you're watching that. But delicious. So I can't wait to try the gummy bears. But oh my God, guys, I am so excited. Maybe when I try to find the other 2 flavors, maybe I'll do a video and like do a taste test on these. Oh my God, I am so excited. I've loved everything Lily's I've ever tried. Such good products, so I'm super excited. I had to get some habanero barbecue. You obviously want to watch when it comes to nuts. Measure it out, weigh it, and then go sit down. Do not grab this and go sit on the couch, because before you know it, it will all be gone and you probably ate 2,000 calories worth of nuts. Okay, so just watch out when it comes to that. Monk Pack is a great brand. I actually tried the blueberry almond vanilla today, and it was fan-freaking-tastic. So good, so good. And then George tried the caramel sea salt and he loved it as well. I'll probably try that one tomorrow. Again, these products are a little bit pricey, but I am not going to lie. For one, you don't need any of this stuff. But compared to what my husband and I used to spend on going out to eat and eating junk, we save so much more money eating keto. And that's even buying expensive meats and produce and seafood. I eat so much shrimp, okay? I'm not even gonna lie, and scallops. I eat really, really, really good, and I still save so much more money eating healthy. So try not to get like discouraged. And obviously there's sales, and you don't have to buy things all at once. You can buy things minimally to try things. But I'm telling you, just stick to more of a whole food diet, and I'm telling you, you're going to save money, lose weight, and be healthy and feel so freaking good about yourself. But I feel like a lot of people, when it comes to having to buy certain foods to lose weight, yeah, it can be pricey, but if you do the math of what you used to spend on crappy food, I'm guaranteeing you're going to be spending so much less. It's just going to look like more when you go to the grocery store. But when you're eating out, it's a check here and a check there and a bill here, a bill there. And then you obviously got to leave a tip and all these things. And then you're eating out, and sometimes you're eating 2 dinners and 2 breakfasts and going out for an extra cup of coffee that's going to cost you, $8. And let me get a muffin too and a couple of donuts. Like, it adds up. And I'm telling you, eating keto, we save so much more money. Okay, I don't know why I always have to feel like I have to explain myself. It's like a problem of mine. Then I got the salt and vinegar because it just sounded really good. So I got a little bag, but these habanero barbecues are A++. Anyway, I tried these last night and they were so good. So I'm excited for that. This I just got in the mail. I don't know if you can find, I think you can find Quest at Walmart. I didn't look, but I want to share these with you. This is so good. I found these at, I think it was Wegmans, and I just bought 1 bar and I ate it in the parking lot and it was delicious. I'm like, I need a box. And this might be my favorite Quest bar. I do love the chocolate chip cookie dough and the Oreo. The s'more one, not my favorite, but these are so delicious. You need them. So anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Definitely let me know if you guys shop at Walmart, what are your favorite keto products that you buy there? So that way I can check them out. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.